Today's video, we're going to turn one of these into a computer transformation device. We're also going to make it an Ubuntu boot USB. So let's roll the credits and get into it. Like I said, we're going to turn this and one like it into an Ubuntu USB boot key. So first thing we need to do is plug it into the computer. USB-A, 50-50 chance, and I can tell it's in because it's gone beep beep. So let's show you what we need to download. Okay, so we're going to need Ubuntu desktop. Links in the description. You go to this place, you click download. You could sign up for getting emails from Ubuntu. They're quite useful at times. Or you can click, there we go, download now. That took a second or two, and it'll take a little while, so I'll make it go fast. The other thing we're going to need is a piece of software to put Ubuntu onto the key. Now there's two main pieces of software. One's called Etcher. The other one is called Rufus. I've gone off Etcher mainly because it sometimes doesn't work. I've not had a problem with Rufus, but kind of that's where we go. So link is in the description. You need to go down to here and you can download the portable version, which means it'll run standalone, or the standard version. So I'm going to download the standard version. And again, really quick to download. So let's run Rufus. Now I could just type Rufus and click run. Right, so there it is. I'm just going to zoom in a lot so you can see. Okay, so that's Rufus. So what we need to do is we need to say what USB drive is being used. It'll only pick USB drives, so I've got a choice of two. I've got one that's 132 meg and I've got one that's 64 gig. I know it's the bigger one. We then need to pick our Ubuntu image, so I'm going to just click on select because it's already asking. Click select, and I've downloaded this a few times, so let's have the original, shall we? And I then need to click open, which is just off your screen. There we go. That took a second. My machine seemed to pause there for a bit. Okay, so we're all there and I can click start, and it's saying it could be whatever. I'm just going to pick recommended, and it'll come back and say, warning, data on the device will be destroyed. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to click OK. It might come back and say there's multiple discs or multiple volumes on the USB key. Again, you want to destroy them. Okay, this is going to take a little while. As you can see, that 30 odd seconds that's been there, it's done 4%. So by the magic of YouTube. So the last thing you need to do after liking and subscribing this video is take your USB key and plug it in to your computer. Then switch your computer off, and as you switch it on again, you've got to press some keys. Now I'll put them up over here because they're a bit different, depends on the machine. If it's an HP, it's F10 or Escape. If it's a Dell, it's F2 or F12. They're all there, and I'll put them in the description as well. And that should take you to a menu where you can say boot from USB. There is one thing to say: you do need to do this with the keys. As you're playing, imagine you're playing Xenon and the monsters are coming really fast. Press it that hard as though you're shooting the monsters. Okay, that's it for today. In a second, I'm going to change clothes and point out some videos for you. If you want to see them, have a go. Unless you want to watch these two.